Hello everyone, we are from Group 7 and today we are going to discuss about nutrient deficiency. The situation is about a gardener who complains that his garden isn't growing as well as it used to and some of the plants in the garden starting to look a little yellow. He suspects a nutrient deficiency in the soil happened.
Suggest some organic methods to correct the problems. Nitrogen depletion in soil happens when large amounts of carbon contained in the soil. Some of the organic methods more nitrogen-rich plants like beans and peas nearby the plants that start to look a little yellow. Secondly, adding used and rinsed coffee ground to the soil to promote nitrogen production. Next, by adding compost manure to the soil and planting a green manure crop such as borage. And lastly, adding compost manure to the soil. Why? Because manure packed with nutrients that plants need.
Why legumes produce nodules? As we all know that approximately 80% of the atmosphere is nitrogen gas, and unfortunately, that nitrogen gas is unusable by most living things. So these legumes produce nodules because within the nodules it can do nitrogen fixation process that changes nitrogen gas to biological useful ammonia. This is because all organisms use ammonia to manufacture amino acids and proteins. Also, within these nodules, nitrogen gas from atmosphere is converted into ammonia, which is constituents such as vitamins and hormones. The ability of legumes such as bean and peas to fix gaseous nitrogen makes legumes an ideal plant that makes their requirement for nitrogen fertilizer reduced. Other than harbor an iron-containing protein called legehemoglobin that can facilitate the diffusion of oxygen gas used in respiration.
Rhizobia bacteria have a symbiotic relationship with legume plant roots. The bacteria live in nodules in the legume roots. Plant cannot absorb nitrogen from the air, so the rhizobia bacteria convert nitrogen from the air by adding hydrogen to create ammonium ions, which the plants can absorb. In exchange, plants provide carbohydrates to the bacteria. Converting the nitrogen by adding hydrogen is what is called nitrogen fixation in legumes. Legumes then leave that nitrogen behind in the soil after they are harvested. Therefore, the soil will become